In this video, we take an in-depth look at the Soulution 727, a reference-grade preamplifier in the world of high-end audio. We'll explore its technical features, evaluate its performance through listening tests, compare it to its direct competitors, and discuss who it's best suited for. Additionally, we'll recommend the best amplifiers and speakers to pair with this incredible component. If you're passionate about sound and looking to elevate your system to the next level, this video is for you. Before we begin, we invite you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It's completely free for you and helps us continue creating high-quality content for the audiophile community. Thank you for your support. Swiss engineering at its finest. The Soulution 727 represents the pinnacle of Swiss engineering applied to high-end audio. With meticulous design, a fully dual mono architecture, and uncompromising technical execution, this preamplifier has rightfully earned its place among the finest in the industry. While it builds upon the already acclaimed Soulution 725, this model introduces significant improvements in noise reduction, volume control precision, and an innovative power supply design. From the moment you unbox it, the 727 impresses with its solid yet minimalist construction, staying true to the brand Series 7 aesthetic. Weighing 61.7 pounds and featuring a robust aluminum chassis, it is designed to eliminate vibrations and electromagnetic interference. Its front panel is both elegant and functional, featuring a centrally placed, highly legible display, visible up to 11.5 feet away, 3 physical buttons for power, mute, and settings, and a multifunction dial for volume control, input selection, and programming adjustments. The rear panel is just as well designed, offering balanced and unbalanced inputs, including 3 pairs of XLR and 2 pairs of RCA, while the outputs feature 2 pairs of XLR and 1 pair of RCA. Additional connectivity options include an RS-232 port, Link 3 series, firmware update ports, and network control interfaces. Engineering excellence. From a technical perspective, the 727 is built with a dual mono architecture, ensuring that each channel operates independently, eliminating crosstalk. Its power supply combines a 24V DC switching unit with multiple ultra-low noise voltage regulators, delivering exceptional stability and control. One of its standout features is its volume control, which is a true masterpiece of engineering. It employs high-precision metal foil resistors and a secondary system that prevents noise or sound degradation when adjusting levels. Its frequency response ranges from 0 Hz to 1 MHz, -3 dB, ensuring absolute linearity and exceptional performance across the entire audible spectrum. With a total harmonic distortion below 0.0003%, it delivers unparalleled purity of sound. Additionally, its signal-to-noise ratio exceeds 120 dB, providing a completely black background, free of any unwanted noise or interference. A true sensory experience, the listening test. From the very first moment the Soulution 727 was in action, it was evident that we were dealing with a no-compromise preamplifier. Its ability to extract even the subtlest details from a recording is nothing short of breathtaking. The sense of space, three-dimensionality, and precision in instrument placement exceeded anything we had experienced with other preamplifiers in this range. One of the 727's most striking qualities is its bass reproduction. Unlike some preamplifiers that soften or slightly exaggerate the low end, the 727 delivers bass with absolute precision. From sub-bass to upper bass frequencies, there is total control, no bloating, no muddiness. Even with complex and fast bass lines, every note remained perfectly distinct without losing impact or coherence. Transients were sharp, textures were incredibly realistic, and the depth of the lowest notes was natural and authoritative when the recording demanded it. The 727 achieves what few preamplifiers can, capturing the harmonic richness of the midrange without adding or removing anything. Vocals were rendered with stunning realism, from the softest whispers to the full projection of a powerful performance. String instruments resonated with such detail that you could practically see the material they were made from, whether it was the vibrant wood of a cello or the tension of a plucked string. Instrumental separation was exceptional, with each element floating in its own space without congestion or loss of cohesion. The high frequencies of the 727 strike the perfect balance between precision and smoothness. Some preamplifiers tend to overemphasize this region, leading to a sound that can feel too analytical or clinical, but not here. Every high-frequency nuance was perfectly defined, with natural brilliance and extraordinary extension, yet never harsh. The harmonic decay of notes was so accurate that it captured even the subtlest reverberations of the recording environment. Beyond transparency, the 727 excels in both microdynamics and macrodynamics. From the most delicate intensity shifts to explosive dynamic contrasts, This preamplifier responds with unparalleled speed, without compression or limitations. Its soundstage is expansive in every direction, width, depth, and height. The stereo image is not only wide but also three-dimensional, allowing the listener to feel the depth and spatial placement of each instrument. After hours of testing across various genres and recordings, one thing was clear: the Soulution 727 is an ultra-high-end masterpiece. It has no inherent sonic signature, making it a truly neutral and faithful component. If your system is up to the task, this preamplifier will allow you to experience music exactly as it was recorded, without loss, coloration, or limitation. Key competitors: D'Agostino Momentum HD, warmer sound with a more relaxed presentation, ideal for those seeking a more immersive experience rather than surgical precision. CH Precision L1, modular and adjustable, with configurable gain settings, though not as transparent in the low frequencies as the 727. Boulder 2110, one of the most neutral preamplifiers on the market, with solid design, though lacking the same microdynamic magic of the 727. Esoteric Grandioso C1X, more lush and rich in tone, ideal for those who prefer greater midrange warmth and impact. We mention the amplifiers and speakers that delivered the best results, presenting them as always, without any particular order. Best amplifiers: Soulution 701, the ultimate synergy with the 727, offering absolute authority and refinement. Dan D'Agostino M400MXV, expansive soundstage with great dynamic impact. Boulder 2160, highly detailed, transparent response with refined musicality. Pass Labs XA 200.8, pure Class A warmth with silky resolution. Best speakers: Wilson Audio Alex V, expansive soundstage with absolute control over dynamics. Magico M2, extreme detail and total neutrality, ideal for revealing the transparency of the 727. Focal Grande Utopia EM, immersive, weighty low-end presence. Sonu's Faber AIDA 2, warm and natural sound, with a relaxed, musical presentation. Final thoughts: the Soulution 727 is a benchmark in ultra-high-end audio. As always, we recommend in-person listening tests, as sound perception varies due to many factors. If you found this review helpful, subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave a comment, and activate notifications. Your support helps us continue creating quality content for the audiophile community. Thank you for being here.